Hi, New here. Why do you prefer dropshipping rather than digital products? Thanks. Hello, Sabina. So typically with digital products, a lot of people kind of get confused and they think digital products is like the easiest niche ever, because like, oh, there's no fulfillment. You don't have to ship anything. It's super easy, but it's not really the case. Purely because digital products, it's very hard to get into because there's so many people in the niche, right? Purely because I keep fucking saying that. Digital is very busy as everyone looks at it. Everyone's like digital, 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 digital. Oh my god, it's so good, so good. Same with POD. It's like so good, and really, it's not actually that good. It's very difficult to find a product that works and very difficult to find a niche that works within digital. And even with POD as well, it's very difficult to find a niche that actually works. It's much easier to find a niche within dropshipping that works because not many people do it. Whereas every single person on Etsy is trying to do digital, trying to do POD because it's so easy. And realistically, for the little bit extra effort in terms of fulfillment, it's way worth it in terms of profit.